Welcome! That's Jax. He wants to join us. Today is Fun Friday, our new challenge. It is, I like the mini Mondays and stuff, but it's a lot of work and stuff to set all those stuff up, and I wanted to get something that is like under 5 minutes. So I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm sure there's somebody out there who's done something similar to it, but for me, I haven't seen one. So I am doing, since my other channel is turning into a crafting channel, I figure I'd kind of use some of that into this one. So instead of having six planners that you randomly pick, not six planners, 6 challenges that you randomly pick, you have one, which is handmade. This one's the one I just made a couple days ago. And then back I have it a tree of life with a yin yang, and I will use a D20, nice big one, and I will roll it, and this is a 1 through 20. So I will still be using the same denominations, which will be a $20 worth of money, 1 5 and some ones, and I will randomly pick a number, and like this one, I say it's 14. So 14 will go into this first challenge. And I'll have a little thing on here, which will write 14 on it. And then I am going to color these in, but I'm going to do it in fast mode so you can have, and hopefully they will be under 5 minutes. So that's the deal with this one. Just giving you an option for another type of challenge you might want to do if you're more of the artsy fartsy type of thing, or you have somebody who likes to draw and are pretty good, and you know, just get you a 3x6, which is a normal A6, A5. Just it's the normal. Oops, sorry. It's the normal ones that can go in there. And I actually have some challenges. Not in this one. This is the one that I usually have the A6s in, and I have a whole bunch of stuff that's been written on over, and these like really old. So I just bought some new ones of these. I will put in a little bit later, and then when I'm done, I will just put the ones that are done in there with the money, and then the next week I will do the backside as well. And these are actually mixed media paper, so as I go down the road and get a little bit better with some of the drawing, I will probably do some watercoloring as well, maybe some normal painting and that type of stuff, and just try different styles and give you ideas for different things and show you some different types of adult coloring and that type of stuff. So let's get started with our first one. And this actually turned out good. It's a moon with some random flowers, and I thought it looked really, really pretty. Sometimes they they hit the park pretty well, and sometimes they don't. And I have a couple more that I've already drawn up. I just did these on with pencil because I figure next time I come on to these, I'll actually outline them with the black marker and stuff. So it might be a little harder to see, but then you'll see it, and then I'll color it or do whatever else I want to do with it. And on the other channel, I'm actually working on calligraphy, writing pretty. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that. It's just my ADHD dyslexic brain. I get the verbal dyslexia sometimes. I can see it. I even have it written, and it starts with a CA, so it's calligraphy, not kill, like college, calligraphy. Anywho, let's get started. I'll just ramble. Alrighty. Let's turn this off, and I will change into the overhead. Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to do our moon and flowers, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and $20 to work with today. And we are going to be doing that. So we will have our big dice, our big mama gemma. And whoops, that was a 12. So we got $12 going into there. So we have 1 and 2. $12 going in. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And you're probably wondering, what do we do with all these extra ones? Well, I'm going to I'm going to tell you. I'm going to add this into a separate container. And once it gets to 100, we will play the Kraken dice, which is use a heads or tails. And if you get a 1, you just put an extra $1 in, and that's all you get. But if you flip it and you get the Kraken, which is And this one, that looks like a moose. The Kraken. Then we go and use the Kraken dice, which is the heads or tails, basically. And we will do the... Where is it? Which is this one. The 1 and the 2, which is the D2. And you'll flip it. And if we get the Kraken, like that, we go to the big one. And the big one is this one. This is a 10 through 100. So once we have the 100, well, we roll it, so we'll be getting 60 into our, into our little money thing. And then once this thing is done, then we'll add up the money and it'll be going into my emergency fund. So let's get it good. I might do something different with the money with the Kraken dice. I might use that for like since it is Fun Fridays, so if we do get the Kraken dice, I might use that and put it into the fun money. So yeah, that's what I do. The Kraken is the extra money that I don't put in. We'll go into a separate container, and once I get to 100, we'll roll this and we'll see if we get how much we get to throw into our fun money. Because it is Fun Fridays. I don't know why I'm trying to put the dice in the container. All right. Because I really want to use that big one, but I don't have enough money for it. But maybe over time, it might take a couple months to get there. But once the 100 is in play, then we'll continue to play. And then once this rolls a Kraken, then we'll add the money to it. And you could actually end up building quite a bit because I'm using $20. So that will be going in here for now until I put it in the other envelope. I'll make an envelope for it for the fun money. I'm going to leave this up here because this is the money we're playing with. And it will make a great shot. So let's go and make there's a thumbnail right there. Oops, 12. Took a picture. Alrighty, let's get started. Let's put this on fast forward. Actually, I'm going to put it on hyperspeed. And there's my thing for. I was tempted to do some. I could do a purplish into a really, really dark purple background, almost a black background, since it's kind of a moon. It's a blue moon. Since I have a wider background, I might fill it in a little later just to see how it looks. But that is what it looks like today. So everybody does coloring for their coloring things for their cash challenges, so I figured I'd do a coloring cash challenge as well, but a little bit more in depth. So I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm going to do some more. I'm going to do less talking in them, and hopefully we'll just get them under 5 minutes, or 3 or 5 minutes, just some quickie ones and some time lapse, and see what we have left over. Right now I'm focusing on coloring, and then maybe this next month or so I'll go into some pastels and try that out. I need some fix-it-in, because if I do that on there, below it'll just all fall off. So that's a starting point. And then I got my sister gave me some stuff so we can do some drawing, and I'm going to do some charcoal and all that type of things. But I think that turned out pretty good today, so that looks really, really pretty. And thank you for joining me. If you like this, go and like and subscribe. And I got a bunch of miscellaneous little stuff on my channel, from some of your daily your daily cash stuffing, to your challenges, to some happy planner. I got some cooking and some other stuff on there as well. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and some talking head as well. So let's get this all done up. Since it's just pencil, I don't have to worry too much about getting the stuff. I have to worry about it drying. This stuff is nice. And we did, it was originally 12, but some I knocked it over or something. At least I thought it was 12. But anyways, that's what I counted. I can always go and get me an extra $1 and put a 13 one. I might just go grab an extra $1 a little bit later on and add it to here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so we have to. Oh, here we go. I'll just grab an extra $1, make it 13, because that's what was showing up the longest time. I just noticed that. I thought I had a 12, but maybe I didn't. Who knows? But for the first one, $12. We'll be going into that. And actually, it turned out. Actually, this drawing turned out really nice. This is like the second one. I usually draw something to see if I can do it, and then I'll draw it again on one of these doodles. All right, I'll see you next time. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoy this little challenge, the little artsy challenge, and see how much we can save. You can do your challenges, your money challenges, any way you want. Whoops, I'm bumping you. So go out and get some paper, get some pencils, and just do what you like. And you don't even have to use real money. You can use play money. Heck, you can make your own money. You can turn this into a, afterward I could probably take that out and turn this into a placeholder and put like $10 or $100. I could put $100 in there later on. Maybe that's what I do once I get this thing filled up. I will take the money out, whatever, once we get all of these done up. We'll do that, and we'll use them as placeholders. This one, actually I have them back to back, so they have a different one, so yeah, that might work. So let's go and get her done and have a little fun. Make some handmade placeholders so that we can use in some of our other things as placeholders later on down. That's actually a good idea. Thank you for giving me that idea. Alright, I really need to go because this is much longer for an intro anyways, so love you all. See you next time.